How to lock an album in Samsung Galaxy Phone without using any additional apps. Hey everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you guys how you can easily lock albums on Samsung. First thing first, open up your gallery app on your device. And once you open it up, just head over to the album section. Now if I try to lock any album right now, so let's say if I have this wallpapers album, if I long press on it and then tap on the three lines, here there is no option to lock this album. So what you have to do first is simply tap on the three lines at the bottom and then head over to settings. Once your gallery settings is open, scroll down a bit until you find about gallery, just tap on it and then keep pressing on this option version until a pop-up enables and your gallery labs will be enabled. Now once your gallery lab is enabled, just go back and then scroll down and here is an additional option called gallery labs. Just tap on it and then from here you will find the One UI 5. Here you just have to turn on this option, album entry locks. It will allow you to lock your albums with login credentials, and then once you've done that, tap on OK and your album locks will be enabled. So if I just go back now to my albums, long press on the same album that I tried to lock previously, tap on more, and then here you'll have an option to lock the album. So before you do that, you first have to clear out your gallery from your recent apps and then open it back again. Long press on it and then you will see an option to lock album. Tap on it and now the album has been locked. If you want to open it up, tap on it again, use your PIN, fingerprint or any other biometrics and you'll be able to unlock it again. That's it for this video. I hope it was helpful. I'll see you on the next one.